Listen up. The career path you're planning right now, it might look completely different in just 5 years. And I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm saying this because AI is changing everything. Right now, at this very moment, artificial intelligence is doing jobs faster than humans ever could. What used to take someone 8 hours to finish, AI does it in seconds. Writing, graphic design, research, coding, video editing, all of it. Here's the reality. Most students are still studying like nothing's happening. You're preparing for jobs that are already changing, for a world that's disappearing. But here's the good news. A completely new world of opportunities is opening up. And the students who understand AI now, the ones who learn how to work with AI instead of against it, they're going to be unstoppable. So if you want to stay ahead, if you want to actually be ready for your future, you need to watch this. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI will transform jobs over the next 5 years. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to prepare before it's too late. Here's the harsh reality that most students and professionals won't admit. They're making a massive mistake right now. They see AI as just another trend, something cool to play around with, but nothing that will actually change their future. So what do? They keep studying the same way they did 10 years ago. They keep preparing for jobs using outdated methods. They spend hours, sometimes entire days, completing tasks that AI can finish in literally seconds. And the worst part, they're not even bothering to learn how these tools actually work. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. While these people sleep, others are getting ahead. People who decided to learn AI early are already positioning themselves for the jobs of tomorrow. Because let me be clear about something, AI isn't replacing people. AI is replacing people who don't know how to use AI. The question isn't whether AI will change your career. The question is, will you be ready when it does? Now let me tell you something important. Your job probably isn't going to disappear completely, but it will change, and it will change dramatically. Think about these careers: content writing, graphic design, video editing, customer support, data entry, research assistance, and even basic programming. These jobs used to demand hours and hours of repetitive manual work, but now AI can handle 60 to 80% of those tasks in just seconds. So what does this mean for companies? It means they don't need people doing the old version of these jobs anymore. That version is basically dead. But here's the good news. Companies still need people. They're just looking for something different now. They need people who understand AI, people who know how to work alongside these tools, people who can use AI to do the same work faster, better, and smarter than ever before. So let's get this straight. The job isn't gone. The job is evolving. The role stays the same. The way you do that role is completely changing. And if you're willing to adapt, you'll be more valuable than ever.
Listen up. While some traditional jobs are changing, something incredible is happening at the same time. New job opportunities are growing at an incredibly fast pace because of AI. Think about this. Roles like AI content creator, prompt engineer, AI researcher, automation specialist, data analyst, digital marketer, and tech-savvy educator didn't even exist just a few years ago. Now, they're everywhere. Here's what's important. Companies are actively hunting for people who know how to use AI tools to solve real problems. And as AI continues to grow, these skills become increasingly valuable. The bottom line? This is a massive opportunity for students like you who start learning today. You might think you're late to the game, but you're actually incredibly early. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Don't wait. Start learning AI skills today, and you'll be ahead of everyone else tomorrow. So here's the real question. What skills do you need to learn right now to stay ahead in the AI era? Let me break this down into 4 essential skills. First, master how to use AI tools. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, these are your new research assistants. Learn how to use them for writing, research, and solving complex problems. This skill alone will save you hours every week. Second, learn prompt writing. This is huge. It's not just about asking AI a question. It's about asking the right question the right way to get powerful, useful results. Good prompts equal better outputs. Third, develop core digital skills. Think content creation, handling data, and communicating effectively online. These skills are gold in any AI-driven industry. Fourth, learn how to automate simple tasks using AI. You'd be surprised how many repetitive tasks can be automated in seconds. Here's what you need to understand. These are not advanced tech skills. Anyone can learn them. They're practical, they're doable, and they're available to you right now. And when you master these 4 skills, you won't just stay relevant, you'll be far ahead of every other student in your school. The question isn't whether you have time to learn. The question is, can you afford not to? Here's something that might surprise you. Preparing for the AI future doesn't require money. It doesn't require expensive courses or special certifications. You can start right now, today, with simple actions. So what do you actually do? First, stop doing everything manually. Start using AI when you study. Instead of spending 2 hours researching, use AI to speed up the process. Instead of writing from scratch, use AI to help you create better drafts faster. Second, practice every single day. Challenge yourself to ask better prompts. Each time you use an AI tool, ask yourself, how can I phrase this question better to get a better answer? This skill compounds. Third, create. Use AI to make content, write summaries, take notes, or build small projects. Stop being a passive consumer and become an active builder. Fourth, get specific. Explore how AI can actually help your field of study. Whether you're into science, writing, coding, art, or business, AI has applications for you. But here's the critical part that most people miss. The goal isn't to watch AI videos. The goal is to use AI daily. Action beats information every single time. Small practice today, that becomes a massive advantage tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for starting now. AI is incredibly powerful. But here's the reality. Many students are already using it in the completely wrong way. Let me show you the biggest mistakes you need to avoid. Mistake number 1, blindly copying everything AI gives you without understanding it. You paste the answer, submit it, and move on. But here's what happens. You learn nothing. And when exam day comes, you're completely lost. Mistake number 2, using AI as a replacement for learning rather than as a tool for learning. You ask the AI a question, get an answer, and stop thinking. That's not progress. That's laziness disguised as efficiency. Mistake number 3, using AI to cheat. Yes, some students do this. But think about it logically. If you cheat now, you're only weakening your own skills. You're sabotaging your own future. Here's what you need to understand. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. Use AI to understand concepts faster. Use it to think through problems more clearly. Use it to work smarter and more efficiently. But always stay in control. Always stay engaged. Always be learning. The bottom line is simple. If you use AI correctly, it becomes your greatest advantage. If you use it wrongly, it becomes your biggest weakness. The choice is yours. Let me be real with you. The future of education is changing fast. Right now. Today. Students who take action and learn how to use AI today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. But here's what's important. It's not because they're naturally smarter than you. It's because they learned how to work smarter. Think about that difference. Intelligence is something you're born with, but working smarter? That's a skill. That's something you can develop. That's something you can master. And this single skill, this ability to leverage AI effectively, this is what will separate average students from future-ready students. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, this skill will define your career potential. So here's what I want you to do. If this video helped you understand the real value of AI, hit that subscribe button. Join the NextGen AI Academy community. We're building practical, actionable AI guides designed specifically for students like you. No fluff, just real skills that actually matter. But most importantly, don't just watch this video and move on. Start learning these skills today, right now. Pick one skill and practice it. Your future self, the one applying for jobs, the one competing for opportunities, your future self will look back and thank you for making this decision today. The time is now. Let's go.